Welcome back to another episode of Uber driver tips and Lyft driver tips, where I give you Uber tips and Lyft tips to help you make more money, get higher ratings, and overall have a way better time driving for Lyft and driving for Uber. This is a very specific one, but I really want to go all in on this, and that is have a two-way filming dash cam. I've already done a bunch of videos about dash cams. I even mentioned dash cams as its own pro tip, and I have gotten some comments and questions saying, hey Mark, I'm curious, when driving, should the dash cam record outside of your vehicle in case, like say, an accident happens, or inside your vehicle in case there's an altercation with a passenger, etc., etc.? And my answer every time is, well, both. And I know a lot of people then say, well, if you had to pick one, but my answer is still both. The reason why, there are dash cams, of course, that just film one direction, but there's also dash cams that film in both directions, and that is the dash cam you should get. I've even seen some drivers get two dash cams, one filming the outside of the vehicle, one filming the inside. That works too. The biggest thing is remember that when you're on the road, and it's just statistics, like I've mentioned in other videos, you are more likely to get into some type of altercation. Whether that's outside of your vehicle, like say in an accident or whatever, or inside your vehicle with a passenger, like say, and this is very rare, but it does happen, like say they try attacking you, or like say they're trying to do something malicious in your car, not just to you, but to your surroundings. There was one video that went viral of a bunch of girls stealing all the money from the driver's tip jar. And he did have it on dashcam footage to prove his point. Let's say there's a dispute between you and a passenger. Well, guess what? There's the footage right there to show Lyft and Uber saying, hey, we had an altercation, nothing extreme happened, but it was a verbal altercation. Here's the unedited video. And when it comes to dashcam footage, I look at it just like insurance. Hopefully you never have to use it, but it's there for both the outside and the inside of your car in case you need it.